Hello. Welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words short and shot. Let's look at each one individually. Short. It is primarily used as an adjective. It describes something that has a small length, duration, or height. It can also refer to being insufficient or lacking in quantity. For example, the pencil is too short to write with. She gave a short speech before the meeting. I was short on time to finish the project. Shot. It can function as a noun or verb. As a noun, it often refers to an act of firing a gun, a photograph, or a small drink of alcohol. As a verb, it means to take a shot, firing a gun or taking a picture. For example, noun. He took a shot at the target. Noun. That's a great shot of the sunset. Verb. She shot a picture of the crowd at the event. To summarize, short describes something that is small in length, duration, or quantity, adjective. Shot refers to an act of shooting, a photograph, or a small drink, noun. Shot, the action of taking a shot, verb. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.